Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Vacuum sealer from Silvercrest. This is the newest model with 130 watts power. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a very affordable price, only 18 euros. The manual. With a cable length 1.2 meters. Some accessories. Three different adapters. Silicone rubber at the front are these gray adapters, not at the black. And we have two vacuum hoses with a length 60 centimeters. And of course we have the bags. With a total length 3 meters. Inside we have the drip tray for liquids, the lower sealing ring around, and this is the press seal, very soft, the top sealer, and here we have the welding wire, the heating element. The two suction openings and one replacement for the lower or the top sealing ring. And we have the limiters here, the rear limiters. It will help to have the bag at the correct position. You can press and it locks. And we have the lid release buttons. Very easy to use. Silicone rubber at the bottom. Cable management for storage the cable. Very convenient. Just love it. If you want less length, you can use this storage. Here we have the suction fitting. For both hoses, and we have 5 buttons with indicators. The button for start sealing, start vacuuming and sealing button. The button activates additional function for wet and for soft. And here it is the button start external vacuuming or stop for all functions. Very compact device, it feels very durable, on a very low affordable price, 18 euros only. So let's give it a test and see how it works. Prepare some ingredients, foods, whatever you want for sealing. First we need to seal this bag. Is flashing and off. It is ready. Perfect. Something that I don't like, in the device we don't have any knife, so you can cut this bag. Nope, nothing. You need a scissor and cut the bag. You can preserve for a long time your coffee. Locks. Vacuuming. And sealing. It's flushing. And off. That means it's ready. So easy. It takes a few seconds. Hard as a rock. Again, same process. We need to seal this bag. And it's ready. Cut with a scissor. And again, dry food, rice, ready. Cornflakes. I can activate the soft green light and then start vacuuming. Okay, that is the soft function. Nice. Let's try with a bag from the cornflakes. Only sealing. It is very thick, so I can hear the air is extracting from the bag. But you can seal the bag, preserve the food, your cornflakes. Let's take a look if we can use the vacuum. Soft. No, I don't think so. We need to use these bags. And with this button you can cancel anytime. Perfect. And again, seal. Ready. And let's use water. Only water. Wet, soft, seal. At the tray here we have a small amount of water. It is very normal because I have used only water. Perfect sealing. Nice! Just love it. Remove the tray. Empty the water. Usually is not so much the amount of the water. Because I have used only water at the back, that's why we have a lot of water at the tray. I like it. Nice. Good job. Alternatively, you can use these hoses with adapters on compatible storage jars or vacuum containers. I love how easy it is to use and how quickly it forms an airtight seal. It's perfect for meal prep, freezing and even Sous Vide cooking. If you enjoy buying in bulk or often find yourself throwing away wilted greens and freezer burned meat, the answer is undoubtedly yes. It's one of these rare kitchen gadgets that pays for itself within a few months by saving your groceries. It's simple and fast to use, and it makes your fridge look incredibly organized. Whether you're Sous Vide enthusiasts or just trying to make your weekly budget go further, this is a total win. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more kitchen gadgets, cooking tools and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, keep your food fresh and I'll see you in the next one.